A survey has shown that South Korea's foundational semiconductor technology capabilities are significantly lagging behind China. The manufacturing giant has already overtaken South Korea in global TV shipments, a top spot Korea had never ceded before.
한국 반도체 기술의 기초 역량이 중국에 크게 밀리고 있다는 설문 결과가 나왔습니다. 1위 자리를 놓친 적 없던 전 세계 TV 출하량은 이미 중국에 역전당했습니다. Okay, this is disturbing news. It seems that China is now ahead of the game, and Korea has typically held the top spots for the TV market, haven't they?
Yes. So they have been one of the leaders, in fact, the leader for global TV shipments.
Yes.
Thinking of like LG TVs, Samsung TVs. These are things, if you go to America,
Oh, yeah.
you will definitely see.
정말 제가 어렸을 때 대학원까지 나왔잖아요. 네, 미국에서 살았는데 그때 가면은 다 they were Japanese products.
Yes.
TVs 뭐 당연히. And then I went like 15 years later, all of the top TV products or like appliances, they were like all LG, Samsung.
Yeah, all Korean companies.
I was so shocked.
Yes.
So what's going on?
So with these TV exports, actually, since 2023, China has officially overtaken.
Really?
Yes. So, of course, they are a bigger country, so they have the capability of producing more. But all of these big Chinese brands now are shipping overseas. But it's not just TVs that are worrying, semiconductors as well. So there was something of a kind of a survey done with experts. So this is not official statistics being taken. 실제로 측정한 거 아니고 이거 전문가들을 그렇게 느끼고 있다는 판단인데요.
I see.
They think for about 2 years now, China has been ahead of Korea in terms of this semiconductor technology.
Wow. So they're really kind of taking a big share.
Yes.
장미혜님이 문자를 보냈는데요. 아이고 속상한 뉴스 일어나라 코리아요. Yeah, this is scary actually.
Yes. I mean, the semiconductor industry is a huge industry here in Korea.
Absolutely.
Has definitely been leading Korea's economy as a whole.
Totally.
Right?
So companies like LG and Samsung, they are going to be absolutely in a very, very precarious situation.
Yes, well, definitely having to be thinking about the strategy going forward about how to create the latest in technology, especially
Wow.
for these semiconductors.
I hope we're able to catch up.
Oh, if I know anything about Korea,
I think we can. I think we can do it.
everyone
Yeah.
always works hard to
Yeah.
get back to the top, right?
That's right. Sometimes we need a little bit of a push to get us there. Okay, I like this expression that Korea's technology, the semiconductor technology is lagging significantly behind. To lag behind, L-A-G. Lag behind means that you're behind.
Yeah, you're slower than you should
Slower
be.
than you should be. So
Yeah.
China is ahead and Korea is lagging behind.
Yeah.
What is the sense that you get with the word lag?
Yeah,
Yeah.
뒤처지다, right?
Yeah.
So you are not going at the pace you need to go, or you are not going at the fastest pace.
Right.
If anyone is into computer gaming, you may know the term
Lag.
which is when your internet or your computer
Yeah.
is slow,
Slow.
and you are not able to play the game
That's right.
as fast as you need to.
Right. So the idea is that you are going, but you're just going a little slower than you should.
Yes,
So what we need to do, Korea, needs to stop lagging behind
we can do it.
and catch up and go forward. Okay, let me read that again. A survey has shown that South Korea's foundational semiconductor technology capabilities are significantly lagging behind China. The manufacturing giant has already overtaken South Korea in global TV shipments, a top spot Korea had never ceded before.